Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash, and today we're going to make this great looking box out of spotted gum and red oak with a top compartment to hold all your jewellery and 2 drawers down below. It's a great looking box, guys. So come on a journey and we'll make this box right now. What a great looking box, guys. Look at that. Just cutting the substrate now for the drawer box and docking it to length. So easy with a sliding table saw. And pinning it together with a nail gun. Okay guys, I've made the ply substrate for the drawers. And you can cut the timber to width now, and then cut the angles and extend them up past the drawer, so it's the same height as this now. And ripping the red oak, getting a straight edge. And up against the fence. Easy as. There it goes. And putting the miter on the ends now. I've cut the red oak around the carcass. They're the 3 tall sides that I've cut. And I've cut the front, which is the same as the back. But I've cut it down to 61mm, which is just a little bit under, just a little bit onto the carcass. So we'll put the box together like normal, flip it over. Okay, we'll glue it up. Okay, up. Seems to be coming up good. This is all glued up, waiting for it to dry now. And when it dries, we'll fit the carcass into it, and then we'll take it from there. Fixed in and put a couple of screws inside to hold it, and you're not going to see them, but the drawers are in there, and I've glued it in at the back. So that's coming out quite well. Put the wings on too. I'll put the 2 wings on, and they're taped up, drying at the moment. And now we can cut the drawers. And putting it through the thickness now to thickness the drawer size down. And doing a straight edge. I'm using old red wood that I got from an old house. Over 100 years old, this timber. So I'm leaving all the nail holes in it, and just as it is. And they're going to be the drawers. Monday morning. Now, better than working, this is fun. You have no idea how much fun this is for me. But while they're doing this, what would I be doing? Okay, mate, going down some bloody bowls club or something, and that irk you. Becoming a member of the club. Damn. Now look. See? Perfect. Cool. We're all ready for the spotted gum now. Bloody heavy stuff it is. Just putting the rounded edge on the top. There it goes. Glue and the type 1-3 method. Just glue them on. Take them out. Then you clean up the excess glue. It's all fitted now. Easy. Easy peasy, Jap and easy. The drawers fitted. Put a couple of little maple handles on. And just spraying it up now. There it goes. Look at the red oak. We're all finished. The up and down box with the top compartment to hold all your jewellery and two drawers down below. Great looking box. Look at that, guys. I'm not going to say the word yet, but I might say a little word. A little word. Start with the P. Pops. It pops. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe. And we'll see you in the next video where I will be making another box. Yay!